Hello guys, welcome back to App Tutorial, and in this video I'll be telling you how to see your deleted message on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to see or check your deleted messages on Discord which is sent by other people's, of course, and in order to check those messages, you will not get any options from Discord itself directly. So in this case, you just simply have to open your settings, and after opening these settings, you just simply have to search for notification history. Now after searching notification history, you will get to see this tab or any other tab if you use other phones. Just simply tap to notification history and you will get all of the notifications history from here. Now if you have enabled the notification for Discord, you will get all of the notifications into this section. What will really happen is, even if the person who sent you the messages deleted the message, you can still see it into the notification history because you got the notification into your phone, and this way you can check out the older messages which is deleted. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.